The Premier course is your ultimate pathway to mastering airbrushing techniques. This comprehensive program includes everything from our introductory and master courses, plus advanced airbrushing techniques to elevate your makeup artistry to new heights, including our exclusive makeup kit. Join us today and transform your passion for makeup into a rewarding profession.
Show you a demonstration of each look either. Our HD vids will show you everything up close and walk you through various chapters through the core of pro makeup artistry, such as how to use the color wheel, how to properly highlight and contour using the correct colors and tools, how to blend thoroughly to achieve flawless looks, foundation color selection based on your client's skin tone, tools that are required, and tools you probably didn't even know existed, base charts, and much more.
In addition to airbrushing, the Premier course covers essential bridal basics and flawless bridal makeup. Enter the billion-dollar beauty industry, equipped with cutting-edge skills and professional tools.